Hash include stdio dot h hash include conio dot h void main clear screen get ch. Let's make our user defined data type struct result int roll number character name of 30 string int subject 1. Here we write a marks subject 2 and subject 3. Float percentage S1 student 2 and student 3. Printf enter a name, enter a roll number of first student. Scanf printf enter name scanf percentage s ampersand s1 dot name printf enter marks of English scanf percentage d double quotation ampersand subject 1 printf enter marks of maths scanf percentage d and s1 dot subject 2 printf enter marks of science scanf percentage d ampersand s1 dot subject 3 s1 dot percentage is equal s1 dot subject 1 plus s1 dot subject 2 plus s1 dot subject 3 divided by 3 printf to print the result the percentage of 3 subject is percentage f and s1 dot percent which is per. To make it easy, just copy the statement and paste it thrice to do not repeat yourself. Now we just have to change small things. Enter the roll number of second student S2 S2. We just have to replace S1 with S2. Enter the number of third student S3 S3 slash n slash n. Here we can see the output.